everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today's tutorial is something different and welcome to DIY style. So in this video I'll show you whatever I'm using in my DIY craft. So this is the paper which I use. It's a pattern paper. You can also buy these pattern papers. So it's completely new guys. I have not used it. So you can take this type of pattern paper and you can take a dot one, and if you have some craft paper like these, you can use colorful one. And I have a white paper also. You can use almost white papers to cover any base, or you can use this color paper also. You'll get in paper bag. You can just cut and keep and use. Then I'll show you the color paper. I don't have more color papers, so you can buy all the colors. So this is the color paper which I use. Purple color. I love purple color. So then I'll show you the pattern paper. So these are the pattern paper which I use for my DIYs. So this is the one. You can take like this pattern paper from Amazon. It's only 130 rupees. You'll get full pack, and there will be like this one design. You will get three paper like this small one you can take. So next I'll show you the glue. So these are my glue which I use. This is the white glue, as you can see, and this one is a Fevi-stick. It's really nice to stick up paper. And this is the homemade decoupage glue. I have made it. So for this making this Mod Podge glue it is. So I have written decoupage glue. For that make homemade, you need white glue, 2 spoons, and 1 spoon water. Just mix and shake it, then it will be ready and you can use everywhere. And then we are going to talk about markers. So markers are very important to highlight the codes. Whatever we are writing, we love to write with markers. Even I love. Hope you all are also loving to use the markers. So markers are very important to write a codes or highlight the codes. So I have the fatter one, and some thicks I have. These are the blue, green, blacks. So if you want to buy any two, means you just go with the black one and gold one. So then I'll show you some glass containers. I have only 2 glass containers I have. So in my another video maybe I can show you all my glass containers whatever I'm buying. So this is my glass containers. You can buy any glasses like this, glasses only. Then I'll show you the fancy part of stationery is the sequence, stickers, everything. So this is the box which I have decorated long back and I have used it. And this paper I have painted. If you want, you can just use acrylic color and paint and just use it. So you don't want to spend such a money. So first I'm going to show you all my glitters and sequins. So first I'll show you all my sequins. These are the sequins which I use. Like these are like leafy one, you can make it flower, and this round one pink color. So this I have, and then you can keep like this sequence also. You can see how beautiful it is. And then I will show any local store or any shop you can get this, or online also you can get from Amazon. And like this you can keep star one, and like these glitter packet ones also colorfuls you can keep for your glitters. Packet one is maybe not more money, but I'm using this 10 rupees one, like this one. And then you can use these buttons. You can use colorful buttons, white buttons, whatever you like. So I have such a beautiful collection of sequins and everything. So buttons I have only this much white one only. So this is the white. You can use white also. So then I'll show you the tape. Tape I really love, guys. Maybe you also like the tapes. I like only paper tape to making card, and it's very easy to cut it. So these are the designs which I have ordered it, and this also from Amazon I have ordered it. Then I'll show you the stencil. The I don't have more stencils. I have this alphabet stencil only one. So you can also keep, if you don't have any design one, at least you have to keep this type of stencils. Then I'll talk about candles. Candles, whenever we are making bigger candles and all, like in the jar we are making candles, right, guys? So for that you need like this candle, and white candles also you can use. So white candle and one colorful candle, if you're mixing it, then it will be very nice for your candle if you're making it. And you can add essential oil also. So I have these colors. I have went recently to shopping and I have bought this candles. So this was the candle, and then I'll show you my punching machine, stapler, and scissor. So scissor should be very sharp, guys. So scissor is mine also very sharp. If it is not sharp also, like you can buy new smaller ones also are very cool and nice. So then I'll show you like my stapler. You can use bigger staplers also. That will be very nice for your artwork. And I have the this type of punching machine, so you can take a single puncher. Maybe it is spend not spending more money. You can take only single puncher. No need of this type of puncher. If you have like this file, then you can take this. So then I'll show you this brushes. So first I'll show you the drawing pencil. So pencils you can keep like this 2B I have. All are 2B. You can use 4B, 8B. It's Faber-Castell and its quality is very nice. And then I'll show you my paint brushes. So very important is that rounded brush, because we are doing every detailing with this. So I have more only. I'm showing you over here only four. So this type of brushes you can use. And then I have a Faber-Castell brushes. These are the very nice quality, and it will come in white color, but if you're coloring, that color will be in that only. So these type of brushes for applying the glue or spreading the colors we are using. So then I'll show you the ribbon collection. So ribbons, I don't have such a ribbons, guys. So I keep in this type of box in all my ribbons. So this is the white ribbon which I have. So you can take like this ribbon. Maybe it is less money only. I am not remembering how much it is. So this is the belt ribbon. If you know, guys, what is where you will get these type of ribbons, please tell me in the comments. So if you don't have such a ribbons, you can just use this type of napkins. When This also from mall only I have bought. Recently I have gone there. You can use like this jute uh, cloth also, like this it will come. And I have tied in the rubber band, because it should not open it, and everything will mess in that. So even you can use this type of thread also. So all these things I keep in one box like this, so that will be very safe. So then I'll show you the acrylic colors. acrylic colors, if you don't have more, like this camel watercolor I have, this is the tube one, and it's really nice. If you're taking one drop of like color and mixing the water, it will be very perfect, fine and nice. Even you can draw flowers like patterns. If you know, you can draw with this color only. If you don't want to spend in this 100 rupees, like this is 100 rupees guys, so this one also it's good only. Then this one is the fabric paint, fabric acrylic paint it is. So this one also very nice. You can get in 200 rupees, and this one from Amazon 100 rupees. If you don't want to spend in this both, please go with this. It is only 20 rupees. One bottle you'll get of fabric acrylic color. Then you can buy more like this, slowly and just use this color, because if you have chalk paints you can use chalk paints also. So brushes I have shown you already, which you have to use for your color paintings. So this is the file which I keep all my stickers, stones and sticky notes. So first I'll show you all my stickers. I don't have such a stickers. I have only two type of sticker. This is the butterfly one, and one is star one. You can use like smiley, whatever you get in the shop. Please pick it up and just use whatever you like. And just like these stone stickers, I don't have more. I'm thinking to buy these. So you can also take this type of you can take and just make it whatever you like to make or whatever. So these are the sticky notes I have bought from Wish app online store. So this is they have beautiful collections of everywhere. I shop from all the stores whatever sticky notes are anywhere, because I love sticky notes. So you can also buy from there only. It's a really good quality. And in the paint I forgot to show you this one, so you can use this type of paint also. So that's it guys. So today's tutorial was, maybe you think it is nice or whatever, you can just tell me in the comments. And it's a very nice video I have made, maybe I don't know, but please tell me in the comments and give a big thumbs up if you like. Please subscribe my channel, and next in my next video, see you soon.